Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Oasi Bonding Flange Drain Assembly Kit, as well as going into the drain grates, all the styles, colors that we have available. Okay, first we're going to go ahead and set the drain grate aside. We will go over those later, and we are going to get into the Oasi Bonding Flange Drain Assembly Kit. This whole box here, we're going to go over the bonding flange, its capabilities, and what that is used for, the height adjuster, as well as the hair trap and the construction plug. Now, first thing to note with the bonding flange assembly kit is that the grates are sold separately, and that's because there are many options and you will need to choose that separately. So firstly, we're going to pull this out of the box. We will go over the box later in the things that detail on it. And one of the first things you notice is that there is no instruction paper that comes out of the box. And that is because it is on the back, and we will go over that. Keep your box for later. All right, here is the drain bonding flange kit. This is what we're calling this large ring. It's roughly 10 inches in diameter. This is your bonding flange. Previously, we didn't have a felt-like material that was attached to the actual PVC. However, we do now with this Oasi product line. We have the fibers attached to the actual drain, so the sealant is no longer required to install the drain. So let's go ahead and pull this apart here. This piece right here is the bonding flange again. It by itself, 2-inch diameter outlet, and you'll just use regular PVC glue to attach to your plumbing. All right, we'll set that to the side. This has a couple extra components to it. This, in general, this black box with the construction plug is what we call the height adjuster. So when you install this into your shower tray or regular mud bed, this is what's going to adjust the height of your grate to match your tile. Okay. So again, this is the construction plug, which is removable. However, you are going to leave it in during installation all the way until you have installed your grout. And I'll go over that in another video later. So, removing the construction plug, we have a couple other elements here. We have just the piece for the height adjuster as well as the hair trap. It does indicate this side up, so there is a right way and a wrong way to install this. However, it won't make a huge difference. It will still work because it'll catch everything. We just have found through our testing that it works best with having the hump in the middle up. So these are the components of your bonding flange assembly kit: hair trap, your height adjuster, your construction plug, and your bonding flange. So now this is the full drain assembly flange kit that we have. And now I'm going to put these off to the side, and I'm going to go over the box and where you can find the instructions and how to install the product. All right, I got the box. Now we're going to turn it over to the back side. And at the top, you can see that it says installation instructions. There are two ways that you can install the bonding flange and the whole drain system assembly. And that's going to be the standard new construction, new waste pipe application. So that means you just have the standard 2-inch plumbing pipe that is sticking out of the floor. We also have the existing drain hub application, which is an existing clamping ring hub that is already in the floor, and you're not looking to rip out all of that, and you want to adapt it. As you can see here, there is the adapter ring that we can use to adapt to a pre-existing drain hub. So steps 1 through 4 on new construction, and 1 through 6 for an existing drain hub application. You can also see that it gives you a little bit more details on the cross section and the other elements in the overall shower and shower waterproofing. And again, the grate is sold separately. There are lots of options and styles that we are going to go over next. If you have questions, definitely reach out to us, and we will be able to help you further get your drain installed properly. Now, let's go into the drain grates. When you order a drain kit, you are going to get the drain assembly with the bonding flange, everything we went over in the first part of the video, and you will receive this box for the grate, and that's what we're going to go ahead and get into now. So this is the drain grate box. It's got a little bit of instructions here on the back. As you can see, as I mentioned earlier in the video, you're going to leave the construction plug in until your grouting is done and complete. Then you're going to use this key that's inside this box, I'll show you here in a second, to remove the construction plug, and then install your grate, and then keep that key, because when you need to clean out that hair trap underneath, you're going to need that key to remove the drain grate. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so it's in this plastic housing here to keep the grate comfortably packed. If you flip it over here on the back, you're going to have your key that's going to be taped to the back. Do not lose that key. All right, now that is all that is in the box, all the instructions you're going to need, and that's how you will receive the drain grate. I'm going to put that back, and then we're going to go over all the styles and colors that we have. All right, now we are going to go over the styles first. And first of all, we have 5 different styles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the aqua style, based on the water droplets for the drain. This is the regular classic drain grate, which will come default in your drain if you just are buying the drain kit alone. You do have the option to upgrade to any of these. This grate style here is called the Craftsman, our designer grade, as well as the Milano here, which is also our designer grade. And you have our Contempo, which is more of a contemporary look, which will be designer as well. And I did mention, or forgot to mention, that the Aqua here is going to be a designer as well. This is our Pro series, which will come default in the drain kit when you purchase it there online. Now we're going to go over the different colors that we have. So we have 5 styles in 3 different colors. We have polished, which is going to be a polished chrome look for all the different colors. Then we have a brush nickel for each individual grate style. And then we'll move down here to the oil rubbed bronze. Let's go ahead. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to go over and get a good look at each individual one here. This row here again is the brush nickel. The first one that I went over was the oil rub bronze. And then here, this last row is going to be the polished chrome. All right, that is all of the grate styles and colors that we have. We will let you know when more are available, and we will make another video showing all of the different new styles that we will have and we are currently adding. Hope that was helpful in your decision and looking at the different grates, the grate styles, going over and unboxing the bonding flange assembly, as well as unboxing the drain grate itself. If you have any questions, definitely give us a call. Support@TrugardDirect.com is our email address, and 678-367-0350 is our phone number, and you can get us at any time to ask more about our grates, the installation, and anything you might have on this system.